Ever joined a virtual summit and left halfway through? That's what happens when organizers don't plan for engagement. The first step to a high-value online conference is defining a clear purpose. Is it to educate, network, or launch something? Once you know the goal, every decision, from speakers to platform, should align with it. Without a strong purpose, your summit becomes just another forgettable Zoom marathon. Your tech stack can make or break the experience. Don't just default to Zoom. Platforms like Hopin, AirMeet, or Run the World offer features like virtual booths, networking lounges, and real-time polls. Choose based on your audience's needs. If your attendees are global, prioritize time zone flexibility and mobile access. Test everything beforehand. Glitches during a keynote are the fastest way to lose credibility and attention. Curation is everything. Don't just invite big names. Invite speakers who can deliver actionable insights, not sales pitches. Vet them. Watch past talks. Ask for outlines. A well-curated lineup keeps attendees engaged and builds your event's reputation. Also, mix formats, panels, fireside chats, and solo keynotes. Variety keeps energy high and prevents screen fatigue. Remember, your speakers are the content. Choose wisely. Engagement doesn't happen by accident. Build it in. Use live polls, breakout rooms, and Q&A sessions to keep people involved. Gamify the experience with leaderboards or scavenger hunts. Assign moderators to chat rooms to spark conversation. The more interactive your summit, the more memorable it becomes. Passive watching leads to drop-offs. Active participation builds community, and that's what keeps people coming back. Don't underestimate the power of pre-event hype. Start building buzz weeks in advance. Use teaser videos, speaker highlights, and behind-the-scenes content. Create a branded hashtag and encourage early registrants to share it. Offer early bird perks or exclusive content to drive signups. The more anticipation you build, the more likely people are to show up and stay. A great summit starts long before the opening keynote. Follow-up is where most virtual events drop the ball. Don't just send a thank you email. Share session recordings, key takeaways, and bonus content. Ask for feedback while the experience is fresh. Offer next steps, whether it's joining a community, signing up for a course, or attending the next event. A strong follow-up turns a one-time attendee into a long-term participant. That's how you build momentum. Finally, measure what matters. Track attendance, engagement rates, session drop-offs, and feedback scores. Don't just look at vanity metrics. Focus on what tells you if people found value. Use this data to refine your next summit. What worked? What flopped? High-value virtual events are built on iteration. The best organizers treat every summit as a prototype for the next, always improving.